Filtering data is an important skill to have when trying to interpret what's on the worksheet. So if you have data on your sheet and you want to filter it for a certain element, maybe I'm looking at filtering these numbers or dates rather for a certain date to find out what information is associated to that date. What I can do is highlight that column and there's a filter tab. I would go to data and filter. And when I click on that, I have a drop down. So if I click on that drop down arrow, now I can filter dates. So I can find out what dates are next month, this month, last month to find out information associated to it. Next week, this week, last week, different preset things. So maybe it's this quarter. So if I click on filtering this quarter, it's going to give me the data that's associated with this quarter. There's nothing in that column, in that field. So I can come back up and click on filter to turn it off. We see that there was nothing there. So now I filter it again. And I go to data filters. And let's go to last quarter. I click on that. It's going to give me the dates of last quarter. It eliminated the one from this quarter and all of the data associated to it. I can click again and I can clear that filter. And if I want to turn filtering off, I just come back up to the top, click filter in the tab, and the drop down is no longer there. So that's how you filter data to try to find information related to a field that you're looking for.